This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on an Indy snowmobile. Starting at the front of the vehicle, you will see the front bumper and two side panels. Remove the left side panel to access the oil injection reservoir, driven clutch spreader tool, clutch assembly, spark plug socket, spare belt holder, spark plug holder on the back of the belt holder, and the fuse panel. Behind the right side panel, you'll find the headlight adjustment, pressure cap, coolant overflow bottle, brake system, battery if equipped, battery charging port, exhaust silencer, and the chain case chain adjustment. The chain case fill plug is located in the right footwell. The front suspension contains the shock assembly with compression adjustment and preload adjustment, control arms, tie rods, sway bar and links, spindles, ski rubber, skis, and skags underneath the skis. Once on the seat, you'll see the 7S display, storage compartment behind the display, USB plug inside the storage compartment, the Big and Little Dipper, and the group ride antenna. The left handlebar contains the brake lever, parking brake, brake reservoir, back button, navigation buttons, select button, headlight dimmer switch, heated grips control button, and the electronic reverse control. The right handlebar contains the engine run stop switch and throttle lever. The handlebars can be adjusted by loosening the four fasteners in the center. Below the handlebars are the safety tether, key switch, intake screens, fuel cap, and the recoil handle. Underneath the seat, you'll find a storage compartment and the evolution of Polaris snowmobiles. Move to the rear suspension to find the front limiter straps, rail slide, front track shock with compression adjustment, and preload adjustment. Rear track shock and compression adjustment, grease zerks, torsion spring adjustment, scissor stops, rear idler wheels, and rear idler adjustment. The VIN label is located on the right side of the vehicle above the running board. The VIN is also stamped in the same location. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.